beautyloving unicorns and welcome back to my channel. And this tutorial that I don't have the tutorial on me, but I have the makeup look on me, and it's gonna be a tutorial with this look. I did something, it's like actually a pink, a yellow and a black in the crease, and then it's a red and a gold on the lid. I used some of the new collection by Looxi. I hope you can see. Am I blinding you? Maybe. I also have a highlighter, one of these highlighters on my cheek. My cheeks. I did swatch this entire collection, and I will leave that up here in the cards if you want to have a peek at how the other colors look swatched. You will even see some close-ups. I am affiliated with Looxi, just so you know, and I do have an affiliate code with them. I will leave it down below. In case you're interested in ordering something from them, you will receive 10%. I also used this new palette that I got from Ofra. This was sent to me by Ofra Nordics, and it is basically, are you prepared? Ooh, look at this. It is like a super bright and fun palette, and this palette was sent to me as PR, and I used this in my crease. You can buy Ofra at Your Vanity, which is a European retailer for Ofra, and that is pretty good if you're in Europe and you want to buy Ofra and you don't want to buy from an American site and pay all those like shipping and taxes and all of that stuff. So if you're in Europe, or if you're in EU, to be honest, you can buy it from Your Vanity, and Your Vanity usually gets the new stuff at the exact same date as Ofra in US does. So that's pretty awesome, to be honest, and I do have a code with them as well. Oh my god, I'm feeling like one of those beauty gurus pushing their codes. I'm so sorry. I feel very bad, sorry, but I do have a code with them as well if you want to save 10%. But of course, if you want to buy Ofra from somewhere else, that's totally perfect as well, of course. And if you want to use somebody else's code on Ofra or on Looxi, that is fine. But yeah, I will leave both of those websites down below if you're interested, and especially Your Vanity if you're in Europe. That's amazing. Looxi you can only buy from Looxi's site, and I think that was everything. Let's just get into this look. I'm sorry if you felt like I was mentioning two codes in the same video, but I just received both of these things at the exact same day, which was yesterday, and I really wanted to try them on today, and I do really like this look. And I would say if I hated them, if I did. If you want me to do something else with this palette, let me know. I only tried 3 colors, so I don't really know yet how I feel about the palette, but the 3 that I used was really good. But yeah, let's just get into the video. I'm sorry for babbling. Okay, I'm ready to do my eye makeup. I don't even have any creases, I think. As usual, I don't prime my lids except with concealer, because I only use concealer on my lids, and that's about it. I also gotta sit right here. Isn't it always like that? Like, I normally don't, but yet here we are, and it's just taking over my existence. I got this palette from Ofra Nordics, so I thought I'd use it. It has the plastic cover like this, like a hard one, and then the palette looks like this. I'm gonna see if I can get the mirror away. Like, how beautiful is this? As you can see, the pans are a bit larger, so I'm gonna start out by using this a bit. I think I'm gonna start with this yellow one in my crease, and I'll just go in with maybe some pinks afterwards. Yeah, probably yellow and pinks, and I'll put that one over here. That is a really pretty pink. It is a matte color, and it's going on really nice. I think all of these colors are matte, except one. One has a bit of shimmer in it, and it's one of the blues one. The one that's like a bit of a periwinkle blue, that one has some shimmer in it. I think that's a nice yellow. I like that. I think I am gonna go in just with the pink right away, and maybe I'll deepen it up with a bit of the black one, but I think I'm just gonna go in with the pink, and we'll just see how this ends up. But I'm just gonna try and make this like go in the crease but a bit lower, like that, and hopefully blend them together a bit. Now that I've gotten this far, I'm just gonna take a bit of the black and just like deepen up the most outer corner before going in with the shimmers, since the shimmer I want to use is a bit darker than the pink I had in the crease. It's gonna make it easier for them to transition into each other if we have a black there as well. And I'm just taking a bit more of the pink and blending the edge here. So that's what it's gonna look like once I'm done. So we're letting that matte palette take a break, and now we're going into these new Looxi ones. This palette is by C Palette, by the way. If you're wondering, it has this beautiful like an hollow thing that makes it look a bit like an oil slick, which is really pretty. I'm gonna use this red one that is called Ruby Rain at the outer part of my lid, and then this one that is called Billion. I'm not really sure, at the inner half of my lid. So I'm starting out with the red one, and I think I'm gonna wet my brush to make it even more intense. Do you like me some intense? You know what, I don't even think I need to. I'm gonna do it without wetting my brush. So pretty. I definitely got a smooth and nice shimmery texture, but to get it to be really foiled, I think I'm gonna try and wet it. I think I could go in with my finger though, but I don't really like the, oh, oh my, that is pretty. That is really pretty. I'm just using like a stiff blending brush, and I'm just gently blending this together. Just at the edge to make it be a bit more blended. I think I'm gonna use just a little bit more of the brush that I had some black on, and I'm just blending it in the outer V. That's really nice. Let's get rid of a little bit of fallout that I have, and it's time to go in with the yellow. So I want to have that, let's see if you can see something as well, like here. That is a very yellow color. That is extremely pretty. See if I can just feather this up. Worked pretty good. I just feathered it up a bit. I think that is looking pretty okay. And I'm just gonna take a bit more red on the brush as well. So I had red and yellow mixed on my brush, and I'm just dotting where they meet to make them blend. Not dragging, just dotting. That is a good way to mix two shimmers and make them merge a bit. Just dot gently where they meet, and they will merge. So I think that is the look I am after. This is pretty, this is really cool. I'm gonna do the other eye as well. So I think I'm gonna use the Ruby Rain on the outer half of my under eyes, and then the Billion on the inner half to make it really like go together. Yeah, that is so gorgeous. That is extremely pigmented and so pretty. To the other eye as well. I'm just gonna like clean this brush on my Vermona color switch, and then I'm just gonna gently blend at the edge of this to make it not too harsh. Okay, now it's time for the yellow one. I'm taking it in the inner corners as well, but I think I'm gonna highlight my inner corners even more. This is cool though. This is my Looxi highlighting palette, and it's well used. I'm gonna use this one that is Stiletto, which is basically a very pale gold duochrome, and I'm gonna use that in my inner corners as an inner corner highlight. So I'm just gonna, and I think I'm gonna spray my brush as well to make it really intense, just like in the inner corners. To make it pop just a bit more just in the inner corners. That is very intense. So that is basically the look right now. I'm gonna do a bit of liner. I just think I'm gonna do a thin one and some mascara, and I'll be right back and we can do the highlighter. Oh, and the lips. I need to figure out something for the lips. Okay, so I'm back. I am gonna use a bit of eyeliner. This is the Makeup Geek Full Spectrum Eyeliner in Plumeria. I love this one. I used to use this so much and then I just quit. I don't know why. It's so good when you have a bit of a burgundy look. Ugh, love it. I'm also gonna do a bit of highlighter. I have these 3 new highlighters from Looxi. I'm gonna use this one that is a bit goldy. I know I never use a goldy highlighter, so I'm gonna use this one that's called Forbidden. This is supposedly a dupe for the Anastasia Beverly Hills, the new Amrezy highlighter. So let's see if it is. Ooh, that's actually pretty. Maybe I should be more into gold highlighters. Because I have such a warm skin tone. I mean, they do suit me. That is pretty. This reminds me a lot of like Rodeo Drive as well. Like the color of it. Like this very, very pale champagne. I took out this lipstick. This is Bellegant liquid lipstick in Tahiti Island. This is a brand that I haven't used a lot on my channel, but they do have some pretty like more yellowy browns, so I was really interested in trying some. So let's see how this is. The smell is divine. So I'm gonna put this on and also some falsies and put my hair down, and I'll be right back and we can see the finished result. So that is the finished look. That is what I did with some new things that I had and some things I hadn't shown you before. And like I said before, if you want to see this whole collection swatched, I will have that up in the cards. And I think that was everything. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're not, and if you want to see more videos from me. I do upload quite a lot of videos and I would love to see you in my next one. The button is down here, and yeah, I think that was it. Bye!